This is a video tutorial how to crochet quick and easy cute bee. Hey friends, this is Crochet by Lily. I'm challenging myself to crochet a kawaii style amigurumi for every letter of the alphabet. I plan to complete this collection by the end of 2024. I'll be sharing free amigurumi patterns and updates with you along the way. Get inspired and join this creative adventure. It's time for the letter B. In this video, I'll share a free crochet tutorial for a quick and easy cute bee. Don't forget to check out our video for a letter A, where we crocheted an adorable avocado. I'll leave the link in the description below. Now, let's get started! To make wings, I'm using number 4 velvet yarn white color, 4mm crochet hook. Make 2 wings. For the round 1, make 6 single crochet into the magic ring. For the round 2, you have to make an increase in all stitches. To make increase, insert your hook into the very first stitch and make 1 single crochet. Insert your hook into the same stitch again and make another single crochet. That's 1 increase. Make 5 more increases. At the end of this round, we have 12 single crochet. Instead of stitch marker, I use the end of the yarn. From round 3 to round 4, you just have to make 1 single crochet in each stitch. In total, 2 rounds. Round 5, make 1 single crochet and then decrease. Repeat this pattern 3 more times. For velvet yarn, I don't use invisible decreases. For round 6, make decreases around. We just finished the first part of the wings. Cut the yarn and fasten off. Crochet 1 more piece. Head and body, this is the same part, but we will start with the head. I'm using number 4 velvet yarn and 4.5 crochet hook. Round 1, magic ring and make 6 single crochet to magic ring. Round 2, make 6 increases. This means make 2 single crochet in each stitch around. At the end of this round we will get 12 single crochet. Mark the beginning of the round 3. Instead of the stitch marker, I use a short tail of yarn. Round 3, 12 increases. At the end of this round, we will get 24 single crochet round. Don't forget to mark the beginning of each round. This is very important. Round 4. Make 3 single crochet and then increase. Repeat this pattern 6 times. At the end of this round, we will get 30 single crochet round. Insert a stitch marker into the first stitch of each round. Make single crochet round next 4 rounds. We finished crochet the part of the head. At this stage we need to insert safety eyes. I'm using the size of 15 millimeters. Of course, this is all about preference as well. I attached safety eyes between rounds 4 and 5, about 11 stitches apart. Double check if eyes are in the right place before you close them. To embroider the mouth, take a black thread and tapestry needle. Take the tails and just gently tie them together. Do not tug them too much. And now cut the tails just a little bit. To embroider the cheeks, I am using pink velvet yarn and tapestry needle. Now we are ready to continue crochet the body. For this we need to change a yellow yarn to the black yarn. Change color has to be at the center of the bottom. This is my way to change color. You can use your way. Don't forget secure the tails. Add the yarn to the center of the bottom. Rounds 9 to 13 make single crochet round. This is time to attach wings. Fold the piece exactly in the half. Mark the center of the top with the stitch marker. Now continue crochet a round number 14. Make 13 single crochet. When you get to the 2 single crochet before stitch marker, this is place to attach the first wing. So place the wing this way. The next 2 stitches connect with a single crochet wing part to the body part. Now connect the same way the second wing. Now this looks so cute! Now finish this round with the 13 single crochet. Now time to change color. Round 15. Make 30 single crochet round. Start stuffing the toy. Round 16. 12 decreases around. At the end of this round you get 12 single crochet. Round 17. 12 single crochet round. Time to change color again. Round 18. 6 decreases around. Now add more stuffing. We almost done. Now change crochet hook to 4 mm. This is last round, 6 single crochet round. Now fasten off. We are done to crochet this adorable bee. If you want to crochet flower handband for this bee, I will publish this video tutorial in the next video. I hope this tutorial was clear and I hope you like your bee. If you are making toys for the markets, add a keychain for this bee, so more people will want to buy her. I wish you good luck and I hope to see you in the next videos.